Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds and genius mathematicians. In this video, we are going to start Arithmetic Progressions, a new chapter of Class 10th. And in this video especially, we are going to discuss the relevant topics which we are going to cover in Arithmetic Progressions. So our first topic is what is Arithmetic Progression, then general form of Arithmetic Progression, terminology related to Arithmetic Progression, nth term formula and sum of n terms formula. These are the topics which we are going to discuss in this video. Before proceeding further, we welcome you to your favorite learning platform. Let us begin our discussion with what is arithmetic progression. So, to understand about arithmetic progression, let us first of all take two examples. And if you look at here on the screen, 2, 5, 8, 11. Difference between any two numbers is 2. Let us see one more example. 50, 47, 44, 41. And difference between any two consecutive terms is minus 3. So from these examples, we can define arithmetic progression as a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term is called arithmetic progression. Here fixed number is nothing but common difference, and that is what we have mentioned in the note also. Here the fixed number is common difference and the value of this fixed number may be positive, negative or 0. Now let us look at general form of arithmetic progression. And if you see on the screen, a, comma, a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, comma, a plus 3d and so on. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. If you want to find nth term of this arithmetic progression, then you can use this formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Whereas if you want to find sum of the n terms, then you can use Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus l when you know a first term, l last term. Otherwise, you can use this formula also n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these are the formulas which are going to help throughout this chapter. And let us see the terminology. N stands for number of terms, a first term, d common difference, L last term, an is nothing but nth term and Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. This is the terminology related to this particular formulas and chapter. Now you might be having a very big and dangerous doubt. What is it? How to remember the formulas which are there in this chapter. This is the dangerous doubt in education field because there is a secret behind remembering. What is that? You want to know? Okay. So the secret to remember is practice makes everybody perfect. You just keep practicing the problems which are given in the exercise and chapter. Your brain takes care of remembering the formulas. You don't worry. You need not to worry. Anyways, thanks for watching and learning, and let us meet in the next video with the problems and solutions of exercise 5.1. Till then, bye and have a nice day.